Socrates was born in 469 BC in the outskirts of Athens, Greece. He would become one of the most important thinkers in the history of humanity. Socrates, an ancient Greek philosopher, lived between 470 and 399 BCE. He is widely regarded as one of the founders of Western philosophy. He spent most of his life in Athens, where he became famous for his deep thinking and unique method of questioning. Though he never wrote a single word himself, his ideas survived through the writings of his students, especially Plato. His father, Socrates, was a sculptor. Socrates learned this art too, but eventually gave it up to pursue a greater goal, to seek the truth. Universal principles. Socrates believed that knowledge doesn't come from outside. It already lives within us. He taught that true knowledge is universal, valid at all times and in all places. It is not about collecting information, but about realizing deeper truths. The teacher's role is not to preach, but to help students uncover what is already inside them. Moral excellence. For Socrates, education wasn't just about passing exams or getting jobs. It was about moral excellence. He believed every human should live wisely, act justly, always pursue the truth. He taught that character and virtue matter more than degrees or technical skills. Role of Socratic teacher. Socrates strongly disagreed with the sophists, who focused only on persuasion and rhetoric. He introduced a new idea. A teacher should be a facilitator, not a dictator. The purpose of teaching is not to deliver answers, but to inspire questions. Socrates believed truth is already inside the student. The teacher only helps to reveal it. Socratic Method. This led to the famous Socratic Method of teaching. Style based on asking deep, thought-provoking questions, holding dialogues and debates, encouraging self-reflection. Would ask his students, what is truth? What is justice? What is the meaning of life? Rather than giving them answers, he guided them to think for themselves. Principles of a Socratic questioner. A good Socratic teacher follows these core principles. Keep the discussion focused. Ensure fairness and respect. Ask probing, open-ended questions. Involve every learner. Summarize key insights at the end. The goal is not to teach students what to think, but how to think. Conclusion. Despite his wisdom and influence, Socrates was sentenced to death by the Athenian court. He was accused of corrupting the youth and disrespecting the gods. He accepted his fate with calmness and drank poison, as demanded by the law. His body may have died, but his ideas still live on. Socrates didn't leave behind books, but his philosophy changed the world forever. He showed us that learning is not memorizing. It is discovering. In today's world full of noise and information, Socrates reminds us of one thing: think deeply, ask meaningful questions, and never stop searching for the truth. Thanks for watching my video. Like it and subscribe my channel.